Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Rocket Money, a personal finance app that helps you save money on your bills and subscriptions. I've been using Rocket Money for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, does Rocket Money connect with a bank? I'll also show you how to use Rocket Money to find and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate your bills, and get cash back on your purchases. So, if you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, or if you're just looking for a way to save money on your bills, then stick around. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money on your bills and subscriptions. It works by tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can save money. For example, Rocket Money can help you find and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate your bills, and get cash back on your purchases. Does Rocket Money connect with a bank? Yes, Rocket Money connects with your bank. This allows Rocket Money to track your spending and identify areas where you can save money. How to connect Rocket Money with your bank? To connect Rocket Money with your bank, you'll need to provide your bank's name, account number, and routing number. You can do this by either entering your information manually or by using the Rocket Money app to connect to your bank's website. How Rocket Money helps you save money. Once Rocket Money is connected to your bank, it will start tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can save money. For example, Rocket Money can help you find and cancel unused subscriptions. Rocket Money will scan your bank statements for recurring charges and identify any subscriptions that you're not using. You can then cancel these subscriptions to save money. Negotiate your bills. Rocket Money will help you negotiate lower rates on your bills, such as your internet, cable, and phone bills. Get cash back on your purchases. Rocket Money will help you earn cash back on your purchases at thousands of retailers. Other features of Rocket Money. In addition to the features mentioned above, Rocket Money also offers a number of other features such as budgeting tools. Rocket Money can help you create and track budgets. Credit score monitoring. Rocket Money can help you monitor your credit score and get alerts if your score changes. Financial advice. Rocket Money offers personalized financial advice to help you reach your financial goals. Rocket Money is a great tool for anyone who wants to save money on their bills and subscriptions. It's easy to use and it's effective. If you're looking for a way to save money, I highly recommend checking out Rocket Money. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, please click on the link below. You can also download the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.